AI is not taking your job. That's right. All the headlines screaming about AI replacing humans are misleading, and most people are panicking for the wrong reasons. The truth is, AI is a tool, a system, a machine designed to help us work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. It doesn't fire people. It doesn't plot against careers. AI cannot take your job by itself. If your job is threatened, it's because of something entirely different, something far more human. It's because of habits, mindset, and the choices we make every day at work. Most people lose their jobs not because of technology, but because they are replaceable. Let's be honest with ourselves. If the work you do can be done by anyone following instructions, if the tasks you complete require no creative thinking, no judgment, no problem solving, and no innovation, then your work can be replaced easily. You don't need AI for that. A younger employee, a junior worker, or a software script can do the same thing, often faster and cheaper. That's not AI's fault, and it's not your employer's fault. It's a reflection of the fact that you have allowed yourself to be replaceable. Think about your daily tasks for a moment. Do you create unique value, or are you simply following a routine? Do you actively solve problems, or do you just complete the tasks in front of you? Do you challenge yourself to grow, to learn, to improve? Or do you rely on old skills that haven't changed in years? Many people think showing up and completing the work is enough. They believe consistency alone guarantees safety. Consistency without focus, consistency without growth, is a trap. It keeps you stuck, it keeps you replaceable, and it sets you up for automation. Let's look at why most people are replaceable. First, they don't learn fast enough. Industries change, processes evolve, and technologies improve. If you stick to the same skills year after year, you fall behind. What used to make you valuable yesterday may make you irrelevant today. Second, many people depend on outdated processes. Filing reports manually, sending endless emails, creating spreadsheets the old way. These are all tasks that can be automated easily. Third, many people focus on being busy rather than effective. They measure their work by hours logged or tasks completed, not by outcomes achieved. This busy work might make you feel productive, but it doesn't make you irreplaceable. Now let's address AI. AI is not your enemy. AI is a tool. It automates repetitive work, but it cannot replicate creativity, empathy, leadership, judgment, or strategic thinking. If your work is being automated, it is because you are doing repetitive, predictable, and operational tasks. This is not AI's fault. It's simply a reflection that the work you perform is routine, and routine work is replaceable. The companies that are using AI successfully are not firing humans because of technology. They are firing humans because some roles can be performed better, faster, and more efficiently by automation. Consider real-world examples. Clerks who spend their days filing paperwork or processing forms are being replaced by software. Entry-level data analysts who manually create reports are being replaced by automated scripts and dashboards. Companies that rely on repetitive manual reporting no longer need humans to perform these tasks because AI can do it instantly. The pattern is clear. Repetitive, predictable work gets replaced first. The problem is not the technology. It's the lack of unique value in human work. So how do you become irreplaceable? How do you make sure that AI cannot touch your job? The answer lies in adding real value, in being creative, in thinking strategically, and in constantly growing. Solve problems. Don't just follow instructions. Focus on outcomes, not tasks. Develop skills that AI cannot replicate: creativity, emotional intelligence, negotiation, leadership, problem solving, and vision. These are skills that require human judgment and insight, and they are the skills that make a person indispensable. Also, don't fear AI. Learn to use it to your advantage. Automate the tasks that don't require your unique input so that you can focus on the tasks that do. Think of AI as a partner that removes distractions, allowing you to dedicate your energy to high-value, irreplaceable work. If you master this, you not only protect your job, but you also enhance it. You become faster, smarter, and more impactful, and your career becomes bulletproof against automation. One of the most important mindsets you can adopt is continuous learning. Industries are evolving faster than ever before. The moment you stop learning, you begin to fall behind. This doesn't just mean learning new software. It means learning how to think critically, how to solve problems in creative ways, how to anticipate challenges, and how to adapt to changes before they happen. Growth is not optional. Growth is your shield. Without growth, even a job that seems safe today can disappear tomorrow. Another key mindset is proactivity. Passive employees wait for tasks. They wait for instructions. They wait for validation. Proactive employees identify problems before they happen, create solutions before anyone asks, and seek opportunities where others see obstacles. Proactive employees are never replaced because they create value that cannot be predicted or automated. Finally, embrace high-level thinking. Operational work can be automated. Strategic thinking cannot. People who anticipate trends, make plans that others overlook, and solve problems creatively are irreplaceable. If you focus on high-level, meaningful work, AI becomes a tool that accelerates your impact rather than a threat that replaces you. Remember, the message here is simple. AI is not taking jobs. People who fail to evolve, who remain passive, uncurious, and replaceable, are the ones losing jobs. The key to job security is not avoiding technology. It's becoming the type of human that technology cannot replace. Focus on growth, on skills, on problem solving, on creativity, and on leadership. If you do this, you will not only survive the age of AI, you will thrive. AI becomes your ally, your assistant, and your amplifier. It cannot replace your unique human contribution. You must internalize this truth. Stop blaming AI. Stop fearing AI. Instead, ask yourself, am I doing work that only I can do? Am I growing every day? Am I learning, solving, and creating value? If the answer is yes, you are safe. If the answer is no, it's time to change. Your career, your income, your future, all depend on it. AI is not the enemy. Replaceable humans are. Don't be replaceable. Learn constantly. Solve problems. Think strategically. Focus on creating value that no machine can replicate. Grow. Adapt. Thrive.